Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankush. Today I would like to discuss about one of the interesting and one of the uh, ongoing question, one of the favorite question for the interviewer sites. And this is one of the trending question nowadays. The every company or every interviewer asks this same question. Okay, why this is asked the question because in one question the interviewer ask or interviewers if I say in the right word, to to judge you, like how can you use your date trunk, how can you use your group by, and how can you use it in the having count in the same query. So in the one question, interviewer has idea how much you have knowledge in SQL. So that's why one of the trending question nowadays. So this question is very simple. Like find customer who made more than one purchase in the same month. Okay. I have a table and I have some values. I will paste it out the end of the video in the description. And I have the sales customer and I have the 10 records in the values. Okay, let me show you. Okay. In the 10 records, which is like follow by order ID, customer ID, order date, and some amounts. Okay. And we need to write a SQL query to find out who customer who made more than one purchase in the same month. Okay. So let's see how can we solve this question. So I'm saying select from sales customer and I need to find customer ID. Let me make it a space, okay? Date trunk and I'm saying give me the date trunk by month and my date is order date and I'm saying as purchase date. Let me run this. Okay. So we got the customer ID and we got the purchase date. And again, I'm saying count of everything, and I'm saying this. Okay, let it be here. Count of everything I'm saying as purchase. Maybe purchase count. Let me run this. Okay, group by 1 and 3. So this is the query written, and I need to find out those customer who made more than one purchases. Okay, so I'm saying having count greater than 1. These are the customer who made the purchases in the same month. Okay. And if you see here, why this is question is trending, if you see here, In a simple question, interviewer has like asked your knowledge, like how can you use count in the same query? How can you use your date trunk? How can you filter out the month, and how can you compare, or how can you find out the same months? So that's why this question is one of the most trending question nowadays. So interviewer has idea like how much knowledge do you have in SQL, you can write a query or not. Okay, I will paste this query in my description. You can find from there, or you can copy and paste, and you can like practice in this question. Okay, that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.